Jana Levin said once in your episodes that it might be possible that if you look far enough into the cosmos, your line of sight can loop around and the universe can end up at your position just along the timeline. Doesn't this imply that, if true, the universe is a perfect 4D sphere? You would see your past location, in your case, a young solar system, from every angle, so it would appear smeared out across the cosmic horizon.
I don't know if I can answer it in the precision that
he's talking
here,
about, right?
But I can tell you that we do live in an open universe, which means we're expanding out forever.
Right.
So there is no sight line that will come back to where we are.
Right.
It goes out.
Because the sight line is continually moving.
Correct. And out away from us.
And out away from us, so there's no way that you could loop back because it's always going.
In a closed universe, the universe will recollapse so that a sight line, in principle, will ultimately come back. And the way to think about that is just the surface of a sphere.
Right.
We'll call it a balloon, a perfect spherical balloon. We're all crawling around on the surface of that balloon, and if you send out a beam of light, it will go away from you, but then come back and hit you in the back of the head.
Right.
Right? But that would be later.
Right.
Okay? And as the balloon begins to shrink back, because it's, well, wouldn't have to shrink. It just has to be closed. But if it's closed, it will shrink.
Don't look at me. I'm not the astrophysicist.
So, the cosmic microwave background.
Right.
We have done some experiments to test for this.
Oh.
So, the microwave background is in every direction.
Right.
So, if you look this way and you get an exact, I know exactly the patterning that's happening there. And then you just look that way.
Turn around. Right.
Is that exact pattern?
Same pattern.
Because if that's the thing, then that means they are the same place.
Right.
That means that was a line that went around and met on the other side.
Right.
Okay? We haven't found that.
We haven't?
No.
Oh.
But we've looked.
We've
That's
looked.
my point.